So what does it take to stay driven for a long period of time? I see guys left and right, and girls, just burn out, try to sell their business, try to get out. And let me give a few tips on how to stay driven and keep going with your business. In case I haven't met you, my name's Daniel. I run a $100,000 plus screen repair business as a side hustle out of my home, and I'll teach you to do the same thing. So how do you stay driven? How do you keep going when things blow up, when things are crazy stressful, when customers are mad at you and you question whether it was worth it? First of all, you need to have a strong why. Why are you doing this? I got into it to provide for my family because my other job wasn't cutting the mustard. It wasn't providing for my family. That's my why. That's what gets me out of my bed in the morning. Secondly, you have to ignore the anomalies like the Elon Musk who say you have to work 140 hours a week or something like that. You can build an exponentially growing successful business while still maintaining your health, serving your family, and being present for those around you just by prioritizing the right thing. You must believe that you can grow your business without sacrificing all the things that are truly important in the long run. Believe you can grow your business without sacrificing everything else. Know your why, watch out for your health, and build great systems because your business can be exhausting. People are going to stand you up, other businesses are going to hurt you. You need to build systems and respond to problems and attacks not with a personal response, but with another system of how you're going to beat that problem. Here's just a few thoughts on how you stay driven over the long haul. If I can help any of you guys out, shoot me a message today. Have a good day.